Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to make blueberry milkshake. This recipe is super easy, very delicious, and can be done under 5 minutes. So we actually picked these blueberries by ourselves a while back ago at a blueberry orchard in New Zealand. So this is how the orchards look like and the one we went to. The blueberries are so sweet and fresh as they're picked straight from the plant. So I froze these blueberries so they can last long, and I'm making the milkshake with these beautiful berries. Before getting into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel with the notifications turned on. To start off, I'm using frozen blueberries, but you can use fresh ones, and milk. The ratio is 1:1, so for every 1 cup of blueberries, I added 1 cup of milk. Add all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. So eating blueberries gives you many health benefits, and they're delicious too. Blueberries can help with heart health, bone strength, skin health, blood pressure, diabetes, cancer prevention, and mental health. By eating only 1 cup of blueberries, it provides you with 24% of recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. Plus, blueberries make an exceptional antioxidant, and they only have 84 calories per cup, which is amazing. I'm also using 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust this according to your sweetness. And over here I have 4 ice cubes which are already melting. Now add both of those ingredients into the blender and blend again. This is what I love about making a milkshake. It's so simple and easy to follow. You do not require any special talents to make a milkshake, so anyone can do it. The milkshake is ready. You can choose to add vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, more milk, less milk, anything that is favorable to you. Pour it into serving glasses and enjoy.